Hello, Peter Geary here outside of 222 Fort Howell. We're in Palmetto Hall, which is a great mid-island location. It's full of residents. You know, it's not short-term rental here, it's a long-term rental if you were to do such a thing. It's got 2 golf courses, mid-island location, so it's really central to a ton of stuff. And it's for people who live on the island. Maybe you have some second homes here, but let's go in and take a look from the other side. All right, so let's go in. So this is 829,000, and it's 4-bedroom and over 4,000 square feet. So that's almost 200 a square foot, which is incredibly reasonable for this market and what's going on. Look at this. I mean, if you're going to build, you're just talking about 350 to 400. So this is really well priced for that size. So look at this. This is kind of a gas fireplace that goes through to the other room. And this overlooks the Arthur Hills course. There are 2 courses in Palmetto Hall, Arthur Hills and Cup. And Arthur Hills is a very long course. I found that out just playing it the other day. There's room, the belief is, for a pool. And, oh, we've got a little friend here. Hello, kitty. Here you go. Come this way. Let your walkway out into the patio area. And here you've got there's a seating, kitchen dining area. Nice open kitchen. Check out the skylight above. And then you've got room for a couch and a den, and just stay involved. Everybody could all be together in here. All the modern amenities are in here. Again, it was built in 2001, so 20 years old. Might want to update things as you need, but you could move in today. Great brand new Maytag washer and dryer. Sink, storage, hanging area. Look at all this. Great storage. You probably got light bulbs and all the things you need. And there's a 3-car garage behind that door. I don't think we need to see that, but it's big, so you've got all that room. A little TV in this area. Now, if we go across here, the master's on the first floor, which is highly sought after, and it's good size. Go to hardwood floor in here. Again, we're facing the golf course for those views and that light fan here. I mean, oh my gosh, these ceilings are 10, 12 feet. And then they've got the hedges for some privacy. You've got the patio right over there. I come back around. Plenty of room. You could put an office space in here if you wanted to. Plenty of room for all kinds of stuff. You could have a little yoga mat. Here's our walk-in closet and master bath. Double sinks. There you go. Bathroom, commode room. Look at that pedestal pedestal tub. You don't see that very often. 3 big windows. So here's what I was saying. You had a walk-in, one walk-in closet. And guess what? You got another walk-in closet. So 2 big closets here. Obviously, looks like there's an attic up above as well. Nice size, but not oversized. Now, if you go across from the master here, you get this, again, your wood floors, but you get a kind of an office, library, den, another quiet area here. Look at this. But this is actually considered the 2nd bedroom. And it could be a nursery, it could be a bedroom. It's full size. It's got a closet, and it's got a full bath on top of that. Shower. Look at this. See, plenty of room in here. Look at the storage in here. Got that one. You've got more storage here. So you've got plenty of room in here. Oh, look at this. What a fun little idea. They've got a desk area in here. And then they've got a closet there. So fun little idea. All right. This was just more of another closet here. Tons of storage here, which if you're moving from somewhere else and this is your new home and you want to bring stuff, plenty of room. There's a half bath, butlers. Our bar area up the stairs. What I like is you've got very distinct areas here. And what we've learned during COVID is that people need their own area and their own space if they're working from home or schooling from home. Look at the size of this room. You can work out here. You've got your desk here. Look at that. This room's plenty big. Light everywhere. Skylights coming up from above. This is right over that garage, so that 3-car garage. You got storage there from the attic and your own bath in here. You could have a drum set up here and be playing and nobody else would hear you because you're above the garage. Come up these stairs and you get to the next bedroom. Look at that. Nice bright room again. This one has, 2 sinks in it, right? And then they've got another shower here. Wow, look at this view over. Check out the size of this grand room. Plenty of room. Now I said you're pretty much move-in ready. You might want to paint something you didn't like a different color. You might want to change some rugs, but you can move into tomorrow and be going. It's been cared for nicely. Don't know if it's been the single owner, but it looks like it has been. And it looked custom built, so it's just, it's done well. That's it. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to call. That's Peter Geary. I'm at RE/MAX, working with John McMahon. This is his listing, and we look forward to hearing from you.